We've been at the forefront of the kind of interactive movie revolution for quite some time now, and now this project here with the Media Cymru and Wales Interactive in combination is actually one of the best things we've done. So what we've done is used all of our knowledge from the last 7 years and created that kind of workshop space where people can come in, learn about interactive movies, learn what they are first and foremost, but also how to write them.
The further research that will come after these products that are created and the further development that can happen with the rest of the consortium with Media Cymru is really helpful in terms of getting things off the ground and really showcase what Wales can achieve creatively.
What I've really enjoyed learning about is how to use branching narratives and the opportunities that you have to use that not just in video games but also in other mediums as well.
It's really about exploring those possibilities, and we're still coming up with ideas which may or may not work, but we're pushing the boundaries to see what is capable and hopefully create something new and exciting.